Hi everyone, I just thought of making a video tutorial on the software that I use to edit my videos. So I tried so many softwares online, but I couldn't, nothing worked out, and I almost gave up. I thought that I would never be able to edit videos and make good videos to upload online. And then my brother told me about this software, which is a free software called Blender. And when I opened it first, I was I didn't know anything how to work with this software. It was so difficult. I didn't understand anything, and slowly I started learning, and I'm now able to upload and edit videos. So I'll just show you the default settings that I have been using. So go to properties, and over here I've set the frame rate. This is according to the footage that I've taken, um, which the camera I'm using is Nikon V1. So it's 29.97 frames per second. And then this is where the rendered file is going to get saved. So it is going to F drive. This is where I've selected, I've already done this. So I wanted to upload this on YouTube. So I have set it for H264, and the format also I have kept it as H264. I am going to render this as a lossless output. So even if the file size is very huge, I am going to later encode it using Handbrake. So it doesn't matter if I click on lossless output, because it is going to give a very huge file. And bitrate I have kept it 25,000. It depends on which camera you're using. So for me, I'm using 25,000. And the GOP size I've kept it as 15, because as of I know, GOP size should be exactly half of the frame rate that you are using. So the frame rate over here is 29.97, and that's the reason I have entered 15. So I'm not going to touch any settings over here. And audio codec I have kept it as AAC. Right now I have no audio over here, audio track, but then I'll be giving a voiceover, which I'll be uh, attaching it over here and then rendering it together. So I've already kept it as AAC, and over here I've kept it the sample. Is that gone? Yeah, over here sample rate, over here audio sample rate I've kept it as 96,000, because I am recording this audio at 96 kilohertz. So if you record it as 48, you can enter over here 48. So this is what the settings I have put here, entered. This settings has to be, you have to enter the settings and then import the file that you require, the file. So after you finish with the properties, then you will go to file manager. So I'll just show you a example of how I do it. So this, you get the green line over here. This is by left click on the mouse. It's better that you use a mouse while working with Blender, because it's very difficult if you don't have mouse. And see, you have the scroll button, that is also that is required. So click on this, left click, and just drag it over here. So I keep attaching one clip at a time. I have not I don't select all the clips together because it becomes too confusing to work with. So this is, I don't need the audio over here. So right click and press X on your keyboard and then left click, so that strip gets erased. This is how you will erase a strip. So right click and X and erase the strip. So if you have made any mistake and you want to undo it, you will press Ctrl plus Z. It will be undone. Just taking some time because I have opened too many tabs. So this is when you press Ctrl and Z, it will undo the last whatever I've done. So how to cut a strip is just right click, then you can observe that the color is changed, and wherever you want the strip to cut, place this green line and press Shift and K. So here it gets cut, and then you can delete off the strip. This is how it's done. So I'll just delete this strip, and this is how you scroll this. See, this is how you see, like to go to the start and end. Just press the middle button of the mouse, the scroll button. This is how you do it, and drag. Press the middle button and drag, and use the scroll button to zoom in and zoom out. This is how you do it. So I'm in just in between editing a recipe video. So what I've done is I've imported all the files, all the videos. I've done the edits, cut it. So the stabilization and all is another part. All the basic things that are required is to import the file to your default settings, and to cut the clips, and yeah, how to speed up a clip I'll just show you. Let me just do one sample one. Drag this. This is a too small clip. Let me choose another one. This is also a small one. There's some big clip. Okay, just let me select this clip. So what I'll do over here is press this clip, right click. So right click and Shift and A. Okay. After that is effect clip, go to speed control. So over here These settings are, you just click on this stretch to input strip length. So it depends, if you wanted 50%, you will just select this over, select, press the right key, right button, and you can drag it. So by 50% the speed will increase. This is how it's done. So right now I don't want to decrease the speed. Okay. So I just undo this, Control and Z. Okay, it's done. Okay, how to drag a strip is, you press the right button, G on the keyboard, and you can just use this the mouse and drag it wherever you want, on top, move to move towards left or right, and to release it you will press the left key. So I just want to attach all these strips together. So this is how it's done. So here's the green line. If you want to go over here, the start of the clip and end of the clip, you will press page up. So page up directly goes to the end of the clip, and page down will go to the start of the clip. So this is how you do it. So I am just going to, but you have to select, you have to not select, but you have to see that the green line is on the strip. It should be on the strip. So I will go to page up and then right click and Control S. So it gets clubbed together, both the strips in sequence. Again, I will be doing this, and this is how it's done. One more thing is, when this comes to the end of the strip, and you want to select this, so see that you press it in the center of the strip. When you click it, it should be in the center. So this is how the color will change, and then you get it over here. But if you like, okay, page up, and then if you just click on the side, somewhere on the left, on the right side, then it will, this is what will happen. Control and S, sorry, Shift and S. So it gets stretched, the clip. Undo it. So you see that you click on the center and then Shift and S. I will just do this very fast. Initially you will have some difficulty in working with the software because it's completely new to you. It's completely different. But if you're patient enough and you start learning it, there's nothing like learning new things about this software every day. There are some add-ons also. I myself have to learn how to use those, called Blender Velvets. And there's so much of effects you can get over in this software. You can add text, you can stabilize this, and color effects, brighten up. But the only problem that arose during using the software after rendering it was it gave very big huge files. Sometimes I even get files up to 16 GB and 25 GB. It's very difficult to have storage space for such big files. So I use a software called Handbrake and um, encode it and decrease the size of this. So this black line, the rendering will whichever your clips are included in this between these two black lines, that entire part will get rendered. So it will start from here and it will end over here. So let me just have a look at this. So what happens is I don't have the high-end graphics card and RAM to play this. It doesn't play very at the right speed. So, but somehow I'm managing. It serves the purpose. My computer doesn't have that high-end configuration. But 64-bit operating system is fine. The work is being done. So what I want this clip. I want it at the starting. So I've clicked on this right click and I've clicked G. I'll just drag this clip away, and this is the starting point. This clip, I cannot put it over here. I can't place it over here. I have to place it just after this 0. So I'll make some place for this clip over here. What I'll do is to select multiple strips at a time. Multiple clips in this single strip. I'll go to just click on your keyboard B and just drag and select this part. So then I'll click on G and I'll drag it away. Even this got dragged because even this was selected. And I'll do the same over here. Just select B, click on B, drag and select G and just move this clip over here. Okay. And then this clip, I'll get it over here. Okay. So I want this clip to play for a longer time. What I will do is I'll just select right click and shift and A and speed control. Okay. Left click. This is just click over here. I'm going to stretch it for some time. I mean, I want it for a longer time, this clip to play. Let's play this. Let me play it for once more. Okay, that's fine. So I want to attach both of these clips. The green line is there and I go to page up and just tell you what how I'm doing this. Just click B and click this entire portion. I'm going to select G and the arrow keys on your keyboard. Just drag this towards the left side and I'm going to drag it till I come across an image on the preview screen. So here and left click. This is how it's done. So both clips are attached together. I made some mistake, 1 second. No, this has to be over here. And click on G. Just keep dragging this till you come across an image. So it's done. Let me just play this one. You can see over here. See, both these things are attached, both the clips. So let's play it. Done. And I'm going to attach these two clips. So click over here and get the green line over there. Click on B button and select it. Press G and keep with the arrow key, keep dragging this towards the left side till I come across this image. And then left click, right click, done. So let me select this black line has to come here, this has to come over here for this part to get rendered. So how I'm going to do it is click on this strip on the clip, go to page down. So page down, you can observe over here. Okay, this is 1689. So 1689 is where this green line is. So I want the start to be also at 1689. 1689. 1689. So here it is. You can observe this. The line is over here. The same thing I'll do here. Click on this. Page up. So it is 9185. Go to 9185. Here it's done. This is almost around 5 minutes. So keep saving a project. Each 3-4 activities, whatever you're doing, just keep saving your project. So it's done. Yeah. So control and S, and this project gets saved. Okay. And I think I've already set everything right. With all this, I'll just have one small check. doesn't matter what audio settings I do right now because this doesn't have a audio clip, but later I'll be attaching audio to this. I just want to render and check that how does it look, because I told you that I don't have an high-end graphics card, so this doesn't play, the preview doesn't play at the right speed that it's required. It's very slow. So just it's done. So just press this animation and it will start rendering. Started rendering.